Alright guys, I made it to Victory Creek Trail in Waterfall. And I am on my way to the waterfall. I'm excited. Let's have a bit of the view. If that's bad, forgive me. But I'm tired. I'm going up all these stairs. Boy. But come along. Let's go. But guys, I slick have no clue where I'm going. I've never done this trail before. And you know what I'm doing? Everybody who looks knowledgeable and like they do this all the time, I'm asking, hey, am I going the right way? Hey, point me to the direction of the waterfall. I don't care. I'm not gonna be lost around the woods. I'm tired though. Can you hear me breathing? Dang, boy, this is a lot of walking. All right, still on my way there. Making my way to the fall. All right, I ain't got enough breath for that. All right, y'all. I made it!